In this video, I'm going to show you how to track household chores by the week, month, quarter, semi-annually, and annually in this household cleaning schedule checklist, Google Sheets. Hi, it's Fanny of Living Richly on a Budget. So let's get started. As a busy mom, I find it really hard to keep up with household chores and tasks, and this household cleaning schedule checklist just helps me keep everything organized. I can see what has been done and what needs to be done. So first, list all your tasks for the week. And when you check it off, you can see the progress bar move. It gives you some sort of satisfaction that you got something done. And it kind of motivates you to keep going. And another advantage of listing out all the chores is that you don't have to think about it all the time. And once you list it out, it's like a reminder on what to do every week, so you don't have to think about it over and over again and waste your mind energy. You can also track tasks that you need to do every month in the monthly section. So J is for January, F is for February, and so on. And it goes through the entire year here. And again, there's the progress bar. So after you list your chores, and you can check it off and you can see the progress bar go. You can also keep track of quarterly chores, things that you do like 4 times a year, like clean gutters, clean vents, wash mattress covers, whatever you choose it to be. And again, there's a checklist here and progress bar. And then you can track the tasks or chores that are done semi-annually. So like every 6 months. So you can see the first half of the year and the second half of the year. And again, there's a checklist and the progress bar. And then you can check the tasks that are done every year, like changing the batteries in your smoke detector, changing your HVAC filters, and then you can see the progress of it too here. And then you can track overall like all of the chores together, weekly, monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, and annually. And then there's a notes section. And then you can just zoom out and you can see the whole cleaning schedule here. If you like this household cleaning schedule checklist, check it out in my shop in the link below. Also in my shop, I have savvy shortcuts for busy moms and entrepreneurs. So I have Google Sheets for managing money better, courses, a debt snowball calculator, ebooks for decluttering, meal planning, many more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.